Welcome to my channel.
Google Pixel 7 Pro hands-on video leaked, benchmark scores surface ahead of launch. Google Pixel 7 series will be unveiled on Thursday at the Made by Google event along with other products like the Google Pixel Watch. Now, hours before its arrival, an alleged hands-on video of the Pixel 7 Pro has surfaced. This video offers a glimpse of the rear panel of this smartphone. Furthermore, a notable tipster has shared the performance benchmarks of the Pixel 7 Pro as well. The benchmark results suggest that the Tensor G2 SoC is lagging behind other current flagship chipsets. The leaked hands-on video of the Google Pixel 7 Pro offers a glimpse at the rear panel of the hazel color variant. It seemingly has a glossy finish and sports a copper-colored camera strip. Notably, the sides of this Google smartphone purportedly also have a metallic copper finish. In related news, tipster Yogesh Brock at Hayat Yogesh has revealed the performance benchmarks of Pixel 7 Pro. The handset has seemingly achieved a single-core score of 1,068 points and a multi-core score of 149 points on Geekbench. In addition, it supposedly received a score of 116 points in the Antutu V9 performance test. Brock suggests that these performance scores are comparable to previous generation chipsets like the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC or Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC. The Google Tensor G2 SoC is said to be lagging behind current flagship SoCs in image signal processor, ISP, and AI performance. The Pixel 7 series is set to launch today at the Made by Google event, which is scheduled to take place beginning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7:30 p.m. IST. The lineup will include the standard Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Google has confirmed these smartphones will be available to pre-order today in India starting from 8:15 p.m. IST.